Are you looking for the best budget drawing tablets? In this video we will look at some of the best budget drawing tablets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. XPPen X3 Artist Pro Graphic Tablet. X3 Smart Chip that will dramatically upgrade the performance and structure of our stylus, enabling it to run like an artificial brain and deliver the most true-to-life experience possible. With this tiny new chip, stylus technology has never felt more natural and your creativity can be fully unleashed. As the first pen display to accompany our X3-powered stylus, the Artist Pro 16 is at the forefront of XPPen's revolutionary step forward into digital painting technology. Thanks to the perfect pair of the pen display and the X3 Elite Plus stylus, you'll be able to create great artwork efficiently and smoothly. With the pen display and X3 Elite Plus stylus, you won't have to compromise on either aesthetics or practicality. Our advanced pen display's gray, metallic casing and ergonomic 9mm profile make the device an absolute pleasure to look at, carry and use. Number 2. XPPen Artist 12 Graphic Tablet. A new generation introduces a new chapter. The Artist Series Pen Display, 2nd Gen, upholds our mission to support you to follow your dreams, be bold, and express your true self. Multifunction, multi-size, multicolor. Our new Artist comes with upgrades for an all-new experience. Powered by X3 Smart Chip technology, it also opens more possibilities for your inspiration to flow. The stylus is battery-free and never needs charging, allowing for hours of uninterrupted drawing. With 8192 pressure sensitivity levels, it allows you to create exquisite lines with ease. It supports up to 60 degrees of tilt, making shading easy and effective. With a wide color gamut of 127% sRGB, the new Artist brings a vivid visual experience with brilliant colors and delicate details even on a dark night. Full lamination is applied to the pen display to minimize parallax and provide more accuracy for a natural drawing experience. Dual ports. The 3" -1 cable that supports HDMI signal transmission allows you to connect the pen display to a PC. The full-featured USB-C port makes connection easier with devices such as PCs, Android phones, and Switch, allowing for a tidy desktop. Number 3. XPPen Artist 13.3 Pro Graphics Tablet. A super portable screen with a 13.3-inch display area and featuring a convenient 3" -1 cable design. There's no need to use any adapter and it quickly connects to your computer. Easily place it on your tabletop or anywhere to simplify your workspace and power your creativity. The creative red dial interface combines 8 fully customizable shortcut keys, crafted to make your creative workflow as smooth as possible. The red dial fits comfortably in your hand and, together with the shortcut keys, can be programmed for more customization options. Even when switching between software, there's no need to reset the functions of the shortcut keys and the dial, helping you capture and express your ideas faster and more easily. The XPPen Artist 13.3 Pro supports up to 60 degrees of tilt function, so now you don't need to adjust the brush direction in the software again and again. Simply tilt to add shading to your creation and enjoy smoother and more natural transitions between lines and strokes. Adopting fully laminated technology, the Artist 13.3 Pro seamlessly combines the glass and screen, to create a distraction-free working environment. The 13.3-inch fully laminated FHD display pairs a superb color accuracy of 88% NTSC, Adobe registered RGB 91%, sRGB 123%, with a 178-degree viewing angle and delivers rich colors, vivid images, and dazzling details in a wider view. Your creative world is now as powerful as it is colorful. Number 4. XPPen Artist 15.6 Pro Drawing Tablet. The innovative red dial interface is designed for a smooth workflow and optimal efficiency. It fits comfortably in your hand and can be programmed to zoom in and out on your canvas and scroll up and down more easily and accurately. Compared to the Artist 15.6, the Artist 15.6 Pro features 8 fully customizable shortcut keys and puts more customization options at your fingertips to suit your preferred work style, allowing you to capture and express your ideas easier and faster for optimized workflow. Adopting full laminated technology, the Artist 15.6 Pro seamlessly combines the glass and the screen, to create a distraction-free working environment that's also easy on the eyes. The 15.6-inch full laminated IPS display pairs a superb color accuracy of 88% NTSC opening parenthesis 120% sRGB, with 178 degrees of visual angle and delivers rich colors, vivid images, and dazzling details in wider view. The XPPen Artist 15.6 Pro supports 60 degrees of tilt function to ensure accurate imitation of a real tilting brush effect, delivering smoother and more natural transition between lines and strokes. You will enjoy a more naturally familiar drawing experience than ever before, with up to 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity. The PA2 battery-free stylus provides you with increased accuracy and enhanced performance to create the finest sketches and lines. Number 5. BOSTO 12 HDA H-IPS LCD Graphics Drawing Tablet. The stylus needs no power, ergonomic design, which can effectively reduce the fatigue caused by holding a pen for a long time. With 2 custom function buttons for making your drawing more conveniently. The left side of the digital board can absorb the pen because of the magnetism, so that when carrying the pen is not afraid to forget. 8192 pressure level, 25 ms fast response rate, 300 pps tablet reading speed, makes drawing lines are more delicate, more detailed, gives you a smooth and natural feeling when drawing, and easy to operate by finger touching. Comes with 2-in-1 USB cable, 1 wire with 4 different interfaces. Compatible with Windows 7 and above, macOS 10.11 or above. Support connect with PC. Laptop with tempered glass, no gap between the stroke and the cursor, improving precision of pressure sensing control and reducing visual deviation. And design with foldable full metal stand to tilt the tablet to a 19 degree for a comfortable position. Work well with art software such as Photoshop, CI, Clip Studio, Sketchbook, Artridge, CAD, Adobe Illustrator, Painter, Flash, C4D and more. Perfect for hand-painted illustration, design, animation, games, handwritten signature, online education, etc. Suitable for professional artists, novice designers, teachers, and amateurs at all ages. Comes with 8 PCS pen nibs, a nib remover, a cleaning cloth, a glove, a tablet protective cover, 2-in-1 USB cable, a battery-free pen and a quick guide.